We're moving home, and we're looking for a remover.
For us, quality, reliability, and value for money are the most important things.
For us, price is the most important thing.
Let's follow these two couples as they choose a remover. Tim and Anne have done their research and found out that all members of the National Guild of Removers and Storers are fully accredited and comply with a strict code of practice. How about this company? They look really trustworthy, and it says here that they're members of the National Guild of Removers and are so committed to consumer protection they voluntarily participate in the Removals Industry Ombudsman Scheme.
Excellent. Let's give them a call.
Always use a member of the National Guild of Removers and Storers to make sure you're offered all of these benefits, many of which are unique. For instance, for that extra layer of consumer protection, the conduct of all Guild members is further governed by the Removals Industry Ombudsman Scheme. Insurance as per your written requirements. Ombudsman approved code of practice. Ombudsman approved fair terms and conditions. Inspected and accredited in accordance with the Ombudsman's requirements. Clearly written quotation and acceptance forms. Agreed payment terms. The next day, Tim and Anne get a visit from the Guild of Removers member.
Hello there. Well, he was friendly.
Not to mention knowledgeable and thorough. I'd feel very comfortable with his company moving us.
They're also fully insured, and their being members of the Guild of Removers takes the worry out of moving home.
Wayne and Pam haven't given much thought to choosing a remover.
Oh, moving home is easy. I mean, anyone can do it, so let's just go for the cheapest option.
How about this one? Their online prices are really, really low.
Excellent. Let's give them a call.
Hello, who's that?
Could you give me a price for moving home?
Well, how far are you moving?
About 2 miles.
How many bedrooms?
All of them.
I mean, how many are there?
Oh, 3. My, that really is a cheap price.
Avoid buying solely on price. Choosing a remover just because their website or advertisement looks impressive. Looks can be deceiving. Any company that doesn't have a trading address. Any company that doesn't provide written quotations.
Goodbye. We definitely made the right choice of remover. They were so helpful and took all the stress out of moving.
Do you know, I'd recommend that anyone moving really should use a Guild of Removers member.
I've tried calling them, but there's no answer.
Keep trying.
It's tiny.
Hello.
You'll never get all our furniture in there.
We'll just have to make more journeys. Don't worry though, I'll work out the extra cost for you.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh dear. I think we made a big mistake.
No!
Using a guild member gave us peace of mind.
I'll give you a piece of my mind.